Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming your Mac's model, CPU, and RAM so you know which Mac OS it will accept. This matters because Logic Pro X requires a compatible system. Once done, sign into the Apple ID that owns Logic Pro X. If you don't own it, purchase it on a newer Mac, then use the Purchase tab. Make sure you have an external SSD or drive ready and at least 16 GB free for the installer and factory content. Next, download the Logic Pro X installer on a newer Mac tied to your Apple ID. Use the Purchase tab so the app is available for redownload. Then create a bootable installer or external SSD with the compatible Mac OS version for your older Mac and boot into it. This avoids forcing unsupported upgrades. Once booted, copy Logic Pro X app and the factory content package into applications, or place them. Finish by booting your old Mac from the external drive or completing the compatible Mac OS install. Then open Logic Pro X and follow the on-screen prompts to install sound libraries and additional content. Authorize any third-party plugins and set audio preferences like buffer size and sample rate for stable performance. If something goes wrong, first confirm you're signed into the exact Apple ID that purchased Logic. If still failing, recopy the app from the source Mac or keep booting from the external drive while you troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.